This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Activision account email address. Changing your Activision account email address is really very easy process. Just follow me. Open your browser and open activision.com. Once you are here, make sure to sign into your Activision account. Now click on profile. And here select basic info. And here you will get your email address. To change your email address, click on edit. And now in this box you can write your new email address. Click on save. And now enter your Activision account password to confirm. And that's how we can change email address on Activision account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.